Detroit industries are under constant pressure to keep operations moving, while customer expectations, delivery timelines, and compliance demands tighten with little warning. When 80% of the U.S. population makes purchases online, demand signals reach businesses faster than ever, leaving little room for system slowdowns, outages, or unclear support paths. As Patrick Burt, president and owner of Adrem Systems Corporation, puts it, reliable systems are the quietest partner in the business because they keep work moving without demanding attention. Across manufacturing, healthcare, finance, and technology, managed IT has become the structure that keeps day-to-day work predictable, secure, and aligned with how teams actually operate. From standardizing tools and clarifying escalation paths to reducing ticket backlogs and cutting downtime that quietly drains productivity. If you want the full breakdown of how managed IT supports Detroit industries across these sectors, you can read the entire article on our website and add this podcast to your Spotify playlist.